I'm the Emergency Plan and Business Continuity Manager for the Northern Health and Social Care Trust. And I have to say it was excellent tone, excellent content, and the delivery was second to none. It has kept me engaged throughout, although yesterday I apologise for answering some emergency calls and dealing with the day job. But there's a lot that I can take with me in terms of our planning, our impact, and our recovery across the organisation. And cybersecurity seems to be the byword of late at the moment. And it's very much, we're coming off the back of a regional incident, and we're still very much in a recovery and impact phase. And delivering that across the business will be invaluable. I have a lot of takeaways. I've retained a lot of knowledge from the last 2.5 days. So look, I can't say thanks enough. It's been fantastic.